How to change your Gmail password. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change your Gmail password. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to mail.google.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, click on this gear icon. Now select See All Settings. Here, select Accounts and Import tab. Now you will find the section Change Account Settings. Here, click on the option of Change Password. Now go ahead and enter your current password first. After entering your password, tap Next. Here, you will have to enter your new password. Then enter the password again to confirm. Now click on the Change Password option. Go ahead and click on Change Password on this box. And with this, your new password will be successfully updated, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.